Alright, I'm going to take some shots with the UX 357. First time I've really ever shot this. I shot it just a second ago making sure it worked, but see if I can hit these little milk jugs here. I'm going to probably shoot single action first. It's got a pretty heavy trigger. Wow, I'm like barely missing. Let me adjust this. I haven't adjusted the sights any. Coming out. Okay, I didn't put the cartridges in there. I'm retarded. Let's see now if I can hit something. Actual BBs in the gun. Hope I don't miss this time. Oh, really dumb. There we go. Looks like they're going through them, or
it is.
I think that was 6 shots. Because the first 2, I don't know. There we go. That's my 6. I was using the Daisy BBs. Let's reload them with the Black Diamonds. All right, I'm gonna try the Black Diamond one of these BBs. See if I can do any better. First shot.
That's it.
I think that's it. Yeah. Alright, we're going to try the anti-rust air Venturi BBs now. See if maybe I'll be a little bit more accurate with these. We're just going to go through all my BBs, so see what we can do here. Still doing single action. 1. Ring my ears. So far, it seems like the anti-rust BBs are winning. Alright, now we're going to try the Umarex BBs. These are the last ones I have. So far, it seems like those anti-rust air Venturis are the best, but see if we can go 6 for 6. The last time we had 5 out of 6, so. See if I can get 6 for 6. Yeah, already one missed. That one went real wild. That one just grazed it.
So.
4 out of 6, so yeah, if I was to choose one to go with this, at least mine, I would choose the air Venturis. Alright, Pop Air Gunner is going to take 6 shots with the UX 357. We're about 20 yards away. We're using the best BBs that shot out of this, which was the anti-rust coating steel BBs from Air Venturi. Let's see what type of groupings we can get from this far away.
That one looked like it went high.
Like I said, it's pretty far away for a little BB pistol, but figured why not, just for a laugh. See what groupings you can get from 20, a little over 20 yards away with a little BB pistol. Well, it's not real little, but you know, it's not a really super long barrel like a rifle, like the air rifle BB guns. All right, let's.
I was watching them. They were going up. They should be all up in the right, the left-hand corner.
Okay. I said more concerned about groups, not trying to hit bullseye. So, well, that's not bad. I'm getting close. I already see where they're at. Wow, that's not bad for over 20 yards away with just BBs. I mean, they like got 2 that grouped here, all pretty much right here. And then you got like 2 down here. Because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. pretty impressed with that. That's not bad at all for a little BB pistol. Not
And
too
the
bad.
distance.
And the distance, yeah, we're really far away. That's awesome. All right, we made some adjustments. It's got a fully adjustable rear sight, so see if maybe pull it down a little bit.
Nope, still up there.
Still shooting high. Like I said, we're pretty dang far away for a BB pistol.
Yeah, with a short barrel.
With a short barrel. And it's not like shooting like those BB rifles. Yeah. Go check it out again. Wow, you almost had a bullseye. One there. One here. A bunch all right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Still not too bad. I mean, it's still grouping right about here, but I had 2 that kind of strayed a little bit. But like I said, for a little BB pistol,
Smooth bore.
Smooth bore, yeah. I mean, you're shooting BBs, so it's pretty accurate. I'm really impressed with that. It's not a bad group. Take some more shots at the milk jugs. Yeah, 5 out of 6. So I heard 5 hits.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
Yeah. Got to aim low and to the right, because the BBs are coming out and going up that way.
Yeah, they're kind of telling a little different, but yeah, once you adjust to it, you know where it's shooting. It's not too bad.